In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a z-score to restore the original data point, assuming that we also know the mean and the standard deviation. And the formula for doing so is pretty straightforward. If we first recall the formula for computing the z-score, being this. So given x, mu, and sigma, we can find z-score. Now, how do we turn this formula into the formula that would allow us to compute x given mu, sigma, and z? Using algebra, and in particular the properties of equation, we can multiply both sides by sigma to get rid of the division on the right side. And then we can add mu to both sides to get rid of minus mu on the right side. And this formula is the formula that we are going to use to compute x given mu, z, and sigma. In our case, mu is 72, standard deviation is 6, and the z-score of the unknown observation is -1.1. What does that mean in terms of the context of the problem? Carolyn scored 1.1 standard deviations below the mean. So to find her raw score, we're going to take the mean and we're going to subtract 1.1 standard deviations. So it's 72 minus 6.6, which is 65.4. So this is Carolyn's original score. That means if you take Carolyn's original score and compute her z-score using the given mean and standard deviation, you're supposed to end up with -1.1. You can check that on your own. Let's enter the score to see if we got it right. Of course, we got it right. If you have any questions, let me know. If you would like to try a similar question, look for this link in the description of the video.